everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mason County Libraries. I miss seeing your faces and I hope that you're all doing well. Today we're here at my house and I am going to be showing you a science experiment called Walking Rainbow Water, and I hope that you and your children enjoy doing this experiment together. So here are the things that you need. You need 6 clear containers, whether they're little cups or jars or Tupperware, whatever works, but it's probably best to have them be the same size. You also need 3 different colors of food coloring. You need red, yellow, and blue so that you can make the rainbow. So we have the primary colors and we're going to be making all the colors of the rainbow today. We also need a spoon and a paper towel so that you can wipe off when we mix the water and you don't want to mix the colors together. We'll get into that a little later. You also need some water. So I have my water bottle here. And we need 3 or 6, depending on the size of your containers, half sheets of paper towel. And if you need to cut your paper towel, you may need some scissors. So here's what we're going to be creating today. We've got this really cool rainbow creation. And what we're learning today is how to mix colors, or how to make colors using the primary colors. And also we're going to be learning about capillary action, which is simply a way of saying liquid moving upward or going against gravity. Okay? It's pretty simple to do and it's really fun. The only thing is it takes a while for the colors to mix, so this is more like an overnight kind of reaction. Okay, so we're going to start out with our cups and we're going to put them in a circular arrangement. And then next we're going to pour water into every other cup. And we're going to go up to about almost the rim here. Okay, very good. Now we are going to put our food coloring into the water cups. So I did 2 drops of the red food coloring, and then I'm going to do 2 drops for all of the colors here. So now what we're going to do is stir the food coloring into the water, and then it's important to make sure that you dry that off so that you don't mix the colors when you do the next cup. So we'll mix the yellow here, we'll dry that off, and then we'll do this last one here for the blue water. Awesome. Okay, so now we are ready for the next step. Okay, so now we have finished all of our different colors here. So we're gonna move on to the next step with our paper towel. I recommend a half sheet of paper towel, and what you're gonna do is fold it in half, and then you're gonna fold it in half again, so you've got like an inch of paper towel. Because my cups are rather short, I'm going to cut them in half, and then I'm going to fold it. And then after I fold it, I'm going to put the paper towel on the edge here. And so I've got the paper towel going into the water and into the empty cup. Okay, so we're gonna put the rest of the paper towels into our cups. So we're basically bridging the 2 of the water with the food coloring and then the empty cup as well. Okay, so we have 6 paper towel pieces. What I recommend is asking your kids, what's happening here? What do you notice? Why is the water moving up? Like, what's going on? And then come back in about 20 minutes and kind of notice the changes. What do you see? And then, maybe come back in an hour again and try, the same questions. What's going on? Do you notice any differences? Do we have any color changes? And then I recommend setting this aside for the evening and coming back in the morning, and you should have a rainbow looking configuration with the colors. All right, so I hope you enjoy this science experiment, and we hope that you continue to watch our posts and look for other activities to do at home. So check those out, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.